In the SAP Datasphere Catalog, you can create a glossary template to guide users when defining glossary terms. You also have the option to reuse an existing template. Using a template helps ensure consistency and provides guidance on how terms should be created. It can include custom attributes as well, helping users capture any required information when completing a term. In this example, you can see how creating custom attributes for glossary are transferred to a tab with options the users will see when they create terms in the glossary. For example, you might have specific requirements like an approval process that might differ between sales terms and product terms. Let's create glossary for product. From the side navigation, choose Catalog and Marketplace and then search. If you cannot see the catalog option, you need to contact your administrator to enable catalog permissions for your user ID. Click the Create button and then choose Glossary. Enter a name and description. Here, we'll enter Product and a Glossary for product terms. In the Reference Template option, you can choose an existing template or create a new template. When we choose an existing glossary, some settings are already made. For example, this template has some custom attributes set. In this video, we are going to create our own glossary, so we'll choose the blank option. In the definition area, you can create guidelines for users who create terms by supplying prompts for the user to complete. In this example, we've added some guidelines about having the term reviewed as well as some dimension and weight information. Users who create the terms can review these notes and then delete the text. Click the Add Custom section to make additional options. In this case, we'll make the approval attributes. These options can be required or optional for the user to complete. Enter a section name called Approval and then click Add. Close the dialog. Each custom section can have multiple custom attributes in it. Let's create a custom attribute, Approved. This will become a drop-down list with the values true and false. In the Type drop-down list, choose Boolean. We'll leave the default value of having this attribute appear on the left. Switch on the required option to make this attribute mandatory. Users will know it's mandatory because it will be marked with a red asterisk. Click OK. We'll quickly add a couple more attributes using the same steps. Click Add Attribute. The name is Approved By. In the validation type, we'll choose List of Values. We'll enable multi-select in case we decide that multiple people need to approve the term. This will show checkboxes rather than radio buttons when creating a term. We'll enter some names in the Valid Values option. I press Enter after each name to make a new value. We'll leave the other default values and click OK. Click Add Attribute one more time. The attribute name will be Date Approved. Choose Date from the Type option. Choose to display the option on the right. Accept the rest of the default values and then click OK. Click Save and our template is complete. Now we'll go back to the catalog search page and create a term using this glossary template. Click Create and then Term. From the Glossary as list, choose the glossary that we just created, Products. You can see the information from the template on the Definition tab. You can complete the other options in the header area. In the Approval section, go to the Approved option and select True. In the Approved By tab, select the name of the approver. Select the date approved and then click Save. Your term appears in the Terms tab shown here. For more information about creating catalog glossaries and terms, help.sap.com. Thanks for watching.